This is OnePlus Nord CE for Lite, and in today's video I'll show how you can fix the incoming phone call receptivity issues on this device. So begin your troubleshooting by checking whether your system is in the airplane or do not disturb modes, and if it is in either of those, make sure to switch them off. So both airplane mode and D&D mode as well. You can either do that from the control panel or from your device's settings as well. Then you can also try to switch off the phone call enhancement features such as VoLTE and Wi-Fi calling, and well, in order to do that, launch your device's settings, enter the mobile network category, here select what SIM card you are experiencing those issues with, and switch off VoLTE calls and Wi-Fi calling. If that didn't help either, you can take out the SIM card and clean it. Make sure to equip yourself with a cloth and electronics friendly cleaning solution, or an alcohol will do just fine, and try to clean the contact side, the contact part of your SIM card. The contact point of a SIM card is this one. So this is the not contact point, and this one is. And well, the final advice that I have for you is that you contact your carrier or mobile network provider, since at this point the issue lays on their end rather than yours. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.